Chair Wafula Chebukati and CEO Ezra Chiloba to conduct the repeat election. Ben Kitili, KTN News.
Meanwhile, an application by IEBC Chairman Wafula Chebukati seeking clarification on how to handle discrepancies in results transmission forms 34A and 34B will be heard on Wednesday. Chebukati, who is the National Returning Officer, moved to court arguing that the Supreme Court caused some confusion in its judgment that he declared results without verification, contrary to a Court of Appeal ruling that barred him from editing poll results. The Supreme Court's landmark ruling nullifying President Uhuru Kenyatta's election victory left the IEBC with a legal dilemma that has the chairman back in court over the elections.
Why does this court want the National Returning Officer to verify 34As against 34B?
In its ruling, the Supreme Court noted that the IEBC had declared presidential election results which did not add up without verifying them. Chebukati, the National Returning Officer, through his lawyers, argues that the Supreme Court's position was in conflict with the Court of Appeal's ruling in a case by Maina Kiai, which stated that the election results collated at the constituency level are final.
We wanted clarification as to whether the National Returning Officer must verify the accuracy.
Chebukati's application seeking clarification also saw judges seek clarity on Mwite's submission.
I had a difficulty myself. The questions that you're asking in 2A and 2B are not questions of correction. There's nothing to correct in 2A or 2B.
It's clarification.
So why then the question of the word correction?
Up till now, I honestly do not know where the problem is. Maina Kiai said, don't touch, don't move a comma, don't do anything. Did we say touch, move a comma, change figures? Did we say that in our judgment?
Yes.
Where is the problem?
The lawyers argue that the court in its directions was not exhaustive and did not give direction on how the IEBC chairman should handle discrepancies in election results. Forms 34A from all polling stations are collated to make up Forms 34B at the constituency level, which are tallied to Form 34C, which is used to declare the presidential election winner.
So that the question that we are then asking is, if at the end of the verification, it turns out that there is a discrepancy between those two, what is he then required to do?
5 judges of the Supreme Court have ordered Chebukati to file his submissions by close of business on Monday. Other parties are required to file their submissions by Tuesday before they return to court over the matter, whose hearing